Hello.
Yes,
Hello. Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
My name is Rinkesh. I'm calling for Vinci Group.
Yes, Vinci.
Yeah. Yeah. So you're qualified in your preview interview round for a Vinci Group. Okay.
Hey, hi. Hi.
So
Now I got it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your congratulations.
Thank
We are
you
reaching
so much.
out.
Thank you
Yeah.
so
Okay. So you're uh, we are reaching out to schedule the second round for a technical interview.
much. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
when
may I
will
ask
going to
you
be
few
scheduled?
questions? Is present?
Pardon?
Yeah. Is a technical interview round.
So
Okay.
today or tomorrow?
Today, presently.
Okay. Right now.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I was outside. That's the reason. So can we?
Only for 5 minutes.
Okay. No problem. Yes. Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So may I ask you a few questions for a quality analysis? Okay. Quality control department. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, uh, Maiza, uh, what is the quality process? Is a project?
See, quality project, we need to first certain basic. If I talk about the project related, the quality planning
Yes.
is there, right? So where we need to develop and implement the quality plan for outline testing and inspection process. Then second, we need to have an
Yes.
inspection and testing, then material
Mm-hmm.
testing, then defect identification, then documentation, then particular compliance assurance, where ensure that the quality of that particular construction activities comply with the codes and that particular regulation and relevant standard. Then we have the quality audits, which conduct regular quality audit access to improve the overall quality. Then we after that we have a particular communication with the
Mm-hmm.
development, with the testing, with the higher management, that we are in sync with that or not, means other stakeholder, to communicate the quality standard and address any quality related issue. If any raise is there, we need to raise an alarm. Then we have a continuous improvement. That I was working on agile. So if any improvement is required, so we can adhere to that particular improvement. We can take that particular depend upon the uh, particular the timeline of that particular project. Then we have that safety integration. Then lastly we can say about the client satisfaction. So mostly we need to focus on that meeting and exceeding client expectation by delivering the highest quality.
Okay. So my next question is, what makes you stand out from other candidate for this construction quality control position?
If I talk about myself, I'm related to a testing perspective. I am very destructive in terms of code, uh, right?
Mm.
So I'm very good in expertise in identifying the breaking the code and identify the good defect. It's not a
Mm.
cosmetic defect or good defect, right? And as per a team perspective, I am very constructive, collaborative. I believe in teamwork. Yes, together everyone achieve maximum. So wherever someone is lacking, right, we share and we cooperate each other. One motto is there to deliver the high standard quality to a customer.
Okay. So my next question is, how would you describe the relationship between a quality control inspection and a manufacturing plant management manager?
Quality control.
My question is, how would you describe the relationship between a quality control inspection and a multi manufacturing plant manager?
Okay. First of all, whatever the product, if manufacturing is giving, right? So whatever the basic requirement is there, so we need to understand that related to the manager, if it is coming, if I was working on the agile, if it is in epic, so we need to understand the basic requirement, what customer expectation, what company's expectation is there, what industry expectation is there, and exactly we need to document that each and everything. Then need to baseline that particular requirement, and need to make them understand the delivering that particular product. This is going to be the basic thing, and we are aligned with that requirement. So you need to take about the preventive and corrective action before that, and then only then we need to start with an test planning and test execution.
Yes. Okay. So my
Because
next question is,
yeah,
yes, yes. My next question is, what is the difference between quality control and quality insurance?
the quality, if I talk about the quality analysis, it play a very crucial role in ensuring that delivering the product or service meet to a high quality standard. And if I talk about the quality, it's related to the process oriented.
Yes. Okay. So
Because
my
the
next question is, yes,
yeah,
yes.
sorry.
Please continue. Yeah.
Yeah, because the
Yeah, yeah. Please continue.
quality analysis is responsible for developing and supporting the particular planning, design, and execution of the test plan and test script and process plan of the project.
Okay. So my next question is, what your process for evaluating and testing finished products to issue quality?
Could you please repeat?
Yes, yes. My question is, what your process for evaluating and testing finished product to ensure quality?
Okay, I will repeat the question. What's if I'm delivering any project, so how will you ensure the quality of the product,
Yes,
right? So I will check
yes,
the how many depend upon once we are baselining the requirement, when we are writing the test cases, the test case ID is generated, and before that we are having the formal review and informal review. Once it is done, we are having the particular test case IDs, and once after the execution, we are mapping that particular test cases within requirement ID. If and we are checking each and everything, how many test cases is executed upon how many defect is identified. So it will give us how many scenarios is executed upon that, how many defect is identified. It will give the coverage of that particular requirement, and we will identify how many critical defects are there and how many minor defects are there and how many resolved defect and fixed defect are there, and accordingly we can map to that particular right developer if any is there, and depend upon that the defect which we have raised, the quality of that defect which is fixed, we can identify that the project which is we have it's depend upon the defect and the coverage and the execution, we can identify yes, the quality of the product is good.
yeah. Okay, so my next question is, what is a cosmetic defect?
Cosmetic effect, if minor changes is happening, so we need to check we can say P3 and priority is less of that cosmetic. Suppose for an example, if any changes are there in the in suppose for an example in on a particular site, on if I clicking on any page link and it's moving to the next page, then it's any small uh, is a correction is there which is a minor, right? So maybe it's not impacting much, but while testing we need to check each and everything. So it's the should be included in the coverage while testing.
Yes. Okay, Sanic. It should be enough for you to grip your knowledge and experience. The hiring authority will review this conversation and we will follow up with the interview finding and any additional information. If you are choose, we will email you the final salary discussion round, date and time, which will be scheduled within our next few days.
Okay.
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 So please email if if you have any more query. We appreciate your time and will connect you as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay. So,
So we wish you
okay.
yes
So
yes
currently, the pro in our product, which methodology we are using?
yes. Yes. You consult the HR. Okay. Final
Oh,
discussion round. Then all details here. Okay.
okay. Sure.
Yeah.
No
Okay.
problem.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Yeah.